Hello, my name is Brennan Galley, and I work for SFM. SFM distributes the top audio and production brands and musical instruments throughout Canada. Today, we're going to open up the SLX-D WA305. So I can see on the top, I have the manual. This is the user's guide. Let's check it out. There's a few languages in there. A list of all the components that are inside of here. But yeah, I have the guitar system. So I'm just going to be opening up the quarter to mini 4-pin guitar cable to the SLX-D body pack transmitter. And it even shows me how to set up the receiver with the antenna and how to put the batteries into here as well. Gives me an overview of groups and channels. It shows me how to use the frequency, the guided frequency setup. And it shows me the IR port, the infrared port. So that's how I'm going to connect the transmitter to the receiver. What else? Some manual frequency selection stuff and general information to the user. Yeah, it really gives me quite a bit just to get started. And it's only on about 7 pages or so. So if I take off this cardboard top here, I'm going to put that to the side as well. I can see that I get a pouch, and this pouch is going to house where I put perhaps the transmitter and my batch cable. So we have that. That's pretty sweet. There's my AA batteries right there. Then inside of here, we have our AC adapter. Let's check this out. You know what? That's pretty serious length of cable there. And it appears like this is just, oh, there we go. There's the other part of it as well. I can see as well it's got the screwing mechanism onto it, so it can actually lock into the receiver. That's pretty sweet. And we'll put the plastic off to the side there, along with the box. What's inside of here? A little some information about the power adapter as well. All right, so now we have the body pack. And yeah, that is pretty sweet. There's the infrared sensor on the front. It's got very rounded edges. It feels really durable as well. It feels like pretty solid. So let's put that off to the side. I then have my rack ears, and let's take those out of the plastic. I see I have some plastic on the table still, so off we go with that. Nice. That is serious rack ear. That's some heavy, durable material. And what do we have inside of this bag? Let's check this out. Okay, so I get my feet for it. So it's going to have a little elevation on the table. I get, what is this? This looks like a BNC adapter. And I get all my different screws and all my different washers as well. Nice. And oh, there's another BNC adapter. So maybe just in case I need to switch those out. I have my antenna in here. Let's open those up. Let's take a look at these antenna together. These are in totally sealed packages. Oh yeah. So there's the BNC cable. And we got the same thing going on there. Nice. And let's get rid of that plastic. And then we have the receiver. Wow, that's got some serious weight to it. There we go. So on the top, I have my rotary encoder that will allow me to make my changes. Exit, sync, power. We'll go into the function of that later. And then on the back, I have my instrument or auxiliary audio output and my mic line output. I also have my Ethernet cable that will allow me to do firmware updates and to link multiple units together. And then on the outside, we have our two different antenna ports, antenna B and antenna A. And then we have our AC input on there as well. And I can see it's got the locking mechanism to it too. So let's put that right here. We have some more cardboard protecting. Oh, and check it out. Here is the 1/4-inch cable that will allow me to plug this directly into my bass or my guitar. And this will go into the body pack as well. So this will fit right into the top here. There we go, like that. Oh, and this has a little locking mechanism as well. So that's going to stay nice and secure. That's really great. And it's nice, durable plastic as well. Yeah. And let's see. Oh, there's my antenna. Sweet. And again, we're going to open that up. I thought the cables before. Nice. And there's the other one there. And these are going to run on the UHF bandwidth as opposed to the 2.4 gigahertz that is often used in more consumer level electronics. And yeah, let's see, do we get everything? We have a plate for it. Put that up top here. And that appears to be everything that we have inside that box. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and we'll see you in future videos. Thank you.